You can optimize everything, and you can come back to the optimized video anytime you want by just clicking on the black band or on the optimize menu button. The next option is discover, and this is where you go when you need to analyze your niche. Just enter your keyword over here and select the number of videos you want to analyze. If you want to exact match the keyword, you can click on use exact match. Otherwise, you can just go with what YouTube offers to you in the broad match section. All the keywords that you searched earlier will be saved over here. You can see that I searched funny cats earlier, it's saved over here, and I can just click on it and get it back to the type of keyword box, saving time, because I know that a lot of people analyze the same thing over and over, and this is going to help them. Anytime you want to remove a keyword from the list, just click on the little red cross and that will be it. When you're ready to search the keyword that you want to work with, click on go, and that will show you all the videos that you've selected for the given keyword. And the best thing is you can sort them on the basis of likes, dislikes, comments, views, the ranking they are in, and the published date. So if you want to see the videos which have the most number of comments on top, click on comments. Then you can also filter them. So if you want to find videos sorted by comments but which have at least the certain number of views, by default this is 0. But if you want to say, let's say you want to find out only the videos which have more than say 100,000 views sorted by comments, click on go, and that will give you all the videos that have more than these number of views sorted by comments. So this is a great feature because you can find and pinpoint exactly the videos which are getting you the engagement that you want to get, and then you can quickly target their keywords. Click on view keywords and you will see the tags for this video. Here are the tags, you can see the tags. And Tuberank Jeet 4 also introduces hashtags. If you've seen YouTube recently, you will see that there are now hashtags right above the subjects line. You can see these hashtags. This is a new feature in YouTube, and Tuberank Jeet is the only software that can get you the hashtags from the videos that are using the hashtags, and it gives you in fact full-fledged hashtag research capabilities specifically for videos, but we'll come to that in a moment. But let's come back to this quickly. Click on the back button to see the overall statistics for the niche that you've entered. You can see the number of total likes averaged by the number of videos that you are analyzing, the number of dislikes, the number of comments, the number of views averaged. So you know if the averages are high for the niche or the keyword that you're targeting, you know that this is a target keyword, this is a niche with a lot of viewership, with a lot of potential, and you can target it for more viewership and more results. This is the ratio between the likes and the dislikes. It tells you how exactly are people responding to the videos made on this topic, and this will let you find videos or topics that are high engagement. It will let you find the videos that people are really interested in, which will let you improve your own engagement with the videos that you're producing. And this is the ratio between the views and likes. So the more number of views and the more number of likes, it tells you exactly which videos are most loved. So if you're going to produce the videos, your own videos on the same topics or on the same themes, you will get similar engagement. All of these things are new in Tuberank Jeet 4, and if you use earlier versions, you know that this is a natural progression. The interface and everything is still the same. One of the few things that we've added, I'm going to show it to you now. Click on view keywords and you can see all the keywords that are for this particular video on the sidebar over here. You can right click on any of the keywords, you can copy it into the clipboard, quickly open the optimize screen, put it over here, paste it, go to the next keyword. Maybe you want to target this one, copy to the clipboard, paste it there, copy to the clipboard, paste it there. Like that, you can quickly build up your keywords, your tags based on the videos that you're targeting without going to and fro in different sections. This is how easy Tuberank Jeet 4 makes it. This particular video also has hashtags and you can copy them, copy to the clipboard, and hashtags need to go into descriptions, so you can actually work on that as you go. You can take any hashtag that you want from here. So this is also pretty new. You can just tuck this away, you can close this, start working again on the keywords that you want to work with, start analyzing again, and whenever you want to get to the optimize screen again, either click on optimize, all your work is saved, or click on the black band and you can see all the work that you've done. In the analyze section, you can put in the URL of any YouTube video you want to analyze, and see the tags and hashtags that it's used. I've got one here now. All you need to do is click and it's gonna give you the details, and below it you can see the tags used in the videos, the hashtags used in the video, and you can again copy to the clipboard. Or if you want to search this particular keyword, you can click on search this keyword and it will go to discover with this keyword and search it for you. And the new thing that you can actually do is keep a list of the keywords that you use often. This was a feature demanded by our users, people who were optimizing a lot of videos, and we built it for them. Click on favorite tags. You can create a group, so I will maybe call it my funny cat videos group or whatever you want to call it. Click on add, and then you can add any keyword that you want to target. So coming back to my list over here, let's say in analysis I have this particular video, I'm using this keyword and I want to add this to a group. I can add it to the funny cat videos. Let me add a couple more too. Right from here, don't need to go anywhere. It's the simplest thing ever. Go into favorite tags and all your tags are over here. So this way you can actually build a collection of tags which are tailor-made to specific topics, and anytime you want to come back, you can quickly come back to the tags, click on the topics, and you will have a list of a complete compilation of all the tags that you want to target. So if you've got a channel where you target a particular niche or a topic, you don't need to go hunting for tags afresh. You know the tags that you want to target. Maybe you have a list of 500 common tags that you want to use in as a theme in many of your videos. So you can do that with favorite tags. And similarly, we've got favorite hashtags too. So you can save all of your hashtags. So if you want to add coffee to some hashtag, you can put all the coffee related hashtags over here, and anytime you want to optimize a video, you can quickly refer to your collections, quickly get the hashtags you want to target, put it in the videos you want to work with, copy to the clipboard, put it here, and in no time you will be able to optimize your video well and very perfectly. Next, we've got the tag finder, and this is wonderful. Put in any tag you want, and you can also tell YouTube or tell Tuberank Jeet actually how many videos you want to analyze. Click on go, and Tuberank Jeet will fetch perfect tags for your videos from multiple sources across the internet. You will get the suggested tags, you will get tags used in your videos. Again, you can add them to a group if you want, or if you want to copy them to the clipboard, you can copy them to the clipboard and use in your video right away. And this is a perfect way to quickly find unimaginable number of tags for any number of keywords you want to put in a different keyword over here, click on go, and Tuberank Jeet will get you fresh tags for that keyword. Really fresh ideas that you can use. So here are your new tags. Again, do the same thing, copy them to the clipboard, put them in your optimization, or take them to your favorite collection. It's all in there. Next, we've got the hashtag finder. Put in any hashtag you want, for example coffee, put in some video sources that you want to analyze, click on go, and in a matter of seconds Tuberank Jeet is going to give you a huge collection of hashtags related to the hashtag that you're targeting, and you can target all of these hashtags. All of these are hashtags which are related to the hashtag that I put in your own videos, and get ranked for hashtags too. You can even see the hashtags which were used in videos, and that's going to help you find which videos or what hashtags are actually used in videos these days, and you can target those too. So I've already shown you favorite tags. Similarly, you can build a collection of favorite hashtags, coffee hashtags for example. Click on add, put in all the hashtags that you want and refer to them anytime you want. It's your collection. You can come back to it just by clicking on it, take it straight to the optimized video section. You can also keep a collection of your favorite videos. So if you, for example, you're working in a niche, you want to make videos on funny cats, so why not take out the videos that you like, take out the videos that you know are good, that you can refer to for tags and for hashtags and for titles and descriptions. Put them in here, just paste the URL like this and click on add. That video will be added. So I just added one. You can see all the stats for the video, you can see the thumbnail. Click on view keyword and you can actually see the keywords that the video is using as well as the hashtags. Click on the thumbnail. It's gonna let you view the video on YouTube, or even copy the thumbnail URL. So if it's a thumbnail that you want to work on, that you want to maybe give your designer, or you want to design further using, you can do that. And the same concept applies to favorite channels too. So you can keep a collection of favorite channels, and you can come back to the channels again and again, and you can see what videos they have. Let me show you something incredible. I'm creating a group, my channels, whatever you want to call it. Click on it, click on the channel that you want to add, click on add, and the channel is added. You can even see some basic stats, and when you click on the channel, you can see the videos for that channel. So here are all the videos for that channel. And the best thing is you can actually search the videos on topics. So for example, you were making a recipe and you wanted to make a recipe based on, let's say, spinach. So just type in spinach over here in the search box, and you will see all the spinach based recipes. You can see the filter has changed, and every single recipe is based on spinach. You can quickly view the keywords by clicking on view keyword. Before you actually see the data, Tuberank Jeet will collect all the data individually from all the keywords, and don't worry about it. All you need to do is give a little bit of time. You can see the background task here. We added a video, we added a channel. So first thing Tuberank Jeet did in the background is collect all the videos, and then in the background it's going to get the stats, the keywords, the hashtags for every one of those videos. And maybe in a matter of minutes, or maybe some more minutes, based on the number of videos that the channel has, all the data will be populated, and when you come back to it next time, you will be able to see the videos, the hashtags, the descriptions, the exact same things that the channel is using for a particular keyword or for every video. And you can use this information to quickly analyze your own keywords, get the best keywords, get the best descriptions, get the best high ranking titles from the most successful channels online. So that is also a part of Tuberank Jeet 4, 100% new inside. And the best thing is Tuberank Jeet makes it utterly simple. We are in optimized video section again. Click on analyze it, and Tuberank Jeet will tell you exactly what you need to do to make your video rank, and these are specific recommendations. For example, right now we don't even have a title, so it's asking me to put in a title. I'm gonna just grab a title from a top ranking video, copy to clipboard, paste it here, and then just modify it. So I'm just going to remove some of it, put in my own modifications. I have a title in just a few number of seconds. Put in the titles box, of course. Then I need to put in a description. Click on analyze it. It tells me that you can still add more content to the title. The optimization score has gone up. So if I want, I can maybe just gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna now use the paste box. If you see the bottom bar, there is something called the paste box, which is and this is here to make your editing easier. So if you're working with text, it's gonna make your editing easier. I'm gonna just add in some more stuff, more beef to my title with spinach, and copy it there. I can close the paste box and add it to my title. So again, analyze it, and you can see that the title is optimized now, and it's asking me to put in a better description. As usual, I can just copy the description that I have, and I can modify it either in the paste box, or I can just modify it directly in the description box this time, like this. I'm not really spending a lot of time on it, but you know exactly what I'm doing here, and you can do it on your own. Click on analyze it. The description is still too short. I'm gonna add some more substance, and you can do this for as many times as you want. You can take the descriptions of other videos, you can analyze them, you can add to them, and you can put in everything that you want to put in based on the top ranking videos. You can modify, of course, you need to modify things, so go ahead and do that, and it tells you exactly what more to do. So add a link to your website. I'm going to put a link to my website, mywebsite.com. Click on analyze it, and it tells me please use up to 5 hashtags. So I have not used 5 hashtags, which is a mistake. and it's gonna tell me please use 5 hashtags. I'm gonna add in the hashtags, or actually let me go to my favorite tags to hashtag finder, put in spinach and click go, and I'm gonna get a lot of hashtags related to spinach. So I've got some now. I'm just gonna copy some of them till I get to 5 maybe, like this, and in a number of seconds it's done. Click on analyze it. Now I'm up all the way to 94%, which means my title, my descriptions, my tags are all fully optimized, and I just have to do some more things like ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel in the description. I can do that. Add a good thumbnail and add the video to a playlist. I can use a checklist to check what I've done. Click on analyze it, and it's going to give me my optimization score. You want to be as near 100% as possible, so when you're satisfied with the optimization score, it should be definitely above 80%. Your video is well optimized. You can use the same titles, the same description that you put in, and the tags in the video that you've got online if you're modifying an older video, or you can upload a fresh video from right inside of Tuberank Jeet. You can upload a video to YouTube, Vimeo or Dailymotion with the settings, with everything that you've done here, by clicking on upload button. So your new video will be uploaded with all the different optimizations that you've already done.